Hi, I'm Ashley from the CIE technical team, and today we're going to talk about Akuvox setup and support. Today we're going to be changing one of the relays from Monostable, which is a trigger on and off, to a Bistable, which is a trigger on, and then a trigger off on commands. So this is great for if you want to open the gates using a smartphone or a PIN number. So here we've got the R20, and so we'll go to the local IP address of the R20. So default username and password is admin. However, once you've logged in, you will need to change this. What we want to go to is device management, access control, and then relay. Here I've got relay A and relay B, both on monostable at the moment. So if we just change one to bistable and click submit, that will then mean when you trigger relay B, it will hold open until you activate it again. So now we'll do the same on the X912. So we'll find the local IP address, log in using the username and password. Once you've done that, you want to go to access control. And then on the relay, you'll want to find relay B and then change this to bistable. Once you click submit, that will then take effect on the relay. It's easy as that. Just remember, we've also got the Akuvox knowledge database online. If you've got any further questions, comment below, or maybe give us a video idea for next time.